Morning, guys. So this week we're studying light bulbs and light bulb efficiency. It should be incredibly enlightening. Ha ha ha. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to walk you through the lab so you know what you're doing. It should be pretty easy. If you get confused, just come back and watch me again and I'll walk you through it again. It'll be like Groundhog Day. Okay, so here we go. So this lab that we're going to be doing today is called Investigating Light Bulb Efficiency. You are going to watch this 4-minute video on light bulbs, and then you're going to get started. So, um, so sometimes it's easy to grab the least expensive light bulb and just be done with it. But we have to dive in this lab. We're going to dive a little bit deeper into what exactly that means. So your learning targets are, I can identify the lifetime cost of a light bulb, which is a little bit different than just pulling it off the shelf for your mom or dad when you go shopping. And then I can tell someone which light bulb is the best bargain. Um, so down here we have the four different types of light bulbs we're going to examine. This is just a regular incandescent light bulb. Many of you guys may not have this one anymore in your house, but this is what your parents and I and some of your brothers and sisters, if they're older, grew up with. This is a halogen light bulb, and this uses a different technology. And the light is still as light, it's still white light. This is a CFC, you guys probably, or CFL, you guys have seen these. They have the very distinctive coils, and the light is a little bit different. My husband doesn't really like the light of the compact fluorescent. And then this is the LED. LEDs are where it's at now. And you can see that all of these are the same brightness. We measure brightness in lumens. But the life of the bulb is really, really, really different. And here's something else that's interesting. In that incandescent bulb, the amount of energy used is 60 watts or 0.06 kilowatts. So a kilowatt is 1,000 watts. And so we can measure, when we measure light bulbs, we typically measure it in watts, but for this lab, we're going to need kilowatts. So conveniently enough, it's here. The halogen is 43 watts. The CFC goes remarkably down. It's only 13 watts for 850 lumens of brightness. So less energy used to get the same brightness. And so when someone says, oh, get me a 60-watt bulb, really what they're saying is, I want about 850 lumens of brightness, but we don't use that. And then this LED bulb is 12 watts or 0.012 kilowatts. And you also are getting that 850 lumens of light. Now you can see the cost is really, really, really different. For a regular incandescent light bulb, 50 cents. A halogen is $3. A compact fluorescent, about $3. So these are comparable in pricing. And that LED, more expensive at $8. But we have to actually dive down to figure out if it's really more expensive. Okay, so here's what you're doing today. So you're going to do you're watching that 4-minute video, and you're going to do the lifetime cost to the bulb. So one of the things I tried to do in the lab this week is color code everything. So you can see here and there's directions at the top for each section, and it's color coded. And I have the pictures. So here's our incandescent bulb, our halogen, our CFL, and our LED. So life of bulb, 1,000 hours, 3,000 hours, 10,000 hours, 25,000 hours. That's a long time. Okay, and we have our price per bulb here. So I've translated all of this information down into the data table for you. And I've actually done incandescent bulb throughout the whole lab for you so that you only have to do halogen, compact fluorescent, and LED. So here we go. So to get the number of bulbs needed, we are going to take the LED as our standard. I'm going to move myself over here because I don't really need to be there. So the LED is 25,000 hours of light per one bulb. So we need to compare all of the bulbs to this 25,000 hours. So what we do is we take that 25,000 and we divide it by the life of the bulb. Okay, so up here, that's 25,000 divided by 1,000. So 25 is my number of bulbs needed to equal 1 LED. So I would need 25 incandescent light bulbs to equal 25,000 hours of light. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing here. 25,000 divided by 3,000 equals, you're going to write it right in your table. 25,000 divided by 10,000 hours, and then 25,000 divided by 25,000. That is going to be the easiest math I think you're going to be doing today. I'm not going to give you the answer. You don't need to type it into the calculator, but just look closely at it. If you need to use a calculator, please use a calculator for all of this. I use a calculator for this. It's just easier. Okay, so, and you can see here that life of bulb, so I've color coded that. Okay, so I'm going to figure out the cost of the bulbs for the 25,000 hours of light. So I need to take price per bulb, which is 50 cents, and I'm going to multiply that by how many light bulbs I would need to get to that 25,000 hours. So that's this number right here, which is also right here. So 0.5 or 50 cents times 25 light bulbs that I need is going to be $12.50. So to get to 25,000 hours of light, it will cost me not the 50 cents for one light bulb, but actually $12.50 for the entire 25,000 hours. So that's interesting. I think that's really interesting. That's all you have to do today. You just have to do these 3 columns, and it's all good. That's your Monday. Have a great rest of your day.